Hi guys, this is Seri. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you today how to make spring roll, my family recipe. The ingredients I will use today are half of cabbage, 100 grams of mushroom, 2 carrots, 1 white onion, glass noodles, spring roll pastry. At first, I'll put the glass noodle to soak in the water. Chop the white onion, grate the carrots, chop the cabbage. All the vegetables need to be chopped finely before frying. Do the same for the mushrooms. Heat some oil in the pan and add the onions first, follow with the carrots and then the mushrooms. Then add the cabbage. When all the vegetables are in, add 2 dishes of the oyster sauce and 2 dishes of soy sauce. Lastly, add the glass noodle and fry until they get the taste of the sauce. And let the filling to cool down first. Wrap the pastry sheets around the filling and rolls. Add a lot of oil and fry the spring rolls when the oil is really hot. After 5 minutes, you will have spring rolls. They are crispy in the outside, but they are melt in your mouth.
Wow. Wow, it's so good. This is so good. It is so good to eat with the sweet sauce like this, and oh my god, and oh, I would love you to try this recipe of mine. It's very good. And thank you for watching me. See you next time. Bye.